Greetings, Earthlings. Today we're looking at these processor chips I got from Jameco, and they are marked, what I ordered, and what they are marked as is, I don't think you can see that, MC68B09E, okay? Now, there are two versions of the 6809 processor. Well, in different speed levels. The A and B levels just indicate the speed. But there's a 6809 and there's a 6809E. The difference is that the E requires an external clock and the regular 09 has an on-chip clock generator. So I went for the version that requires the external clock, but I saw a report online that some people have been having problems with these chips, ordering them and plugging them in to replace an existing 68B09E, and they don't work. So I'm thinking maybe Jameco. Did I mention I bought these from Jameco? Okay, I've had good luck in the past buying parts from Jameco, but I'm not so sure about these. It may be that Jameco is selling inadvertently, perhaps, but it's been reported back to them, so they ought to know by now, selling remarked 6809s as 6809Es. Okay, and we won't worry about the speed differences for now. Okay, so what I've done right here, I've done a minimal breadboard. I have the chip here, and I have power and ground hooked up. I have the interrupt lines pulled up. I have the other inputs pulled up, except for halt, which I've grounded. But according to the data sheet, if halt is grounded, the processor won't try to do anything, but it will still generate the clock signals. Oh, well, okay. So, and then I have the crystal hooked up to the crystal pins. And then what I should see on the Q and E pins, if it's a 6809, is the quadrature clock output. On the E, those Q and E pins become inputs. Okay, so I won't see anything if it's truly an E. So let's power it up and see what happens. We'll be looking here on the scope, the oscilloscope, 2 traces. Power on, 5 volts, bam. Well, there it is. Yeah. And I have, it's a 3.9, it's a color burst crystal, whatever, 3.958 megahertz, 3.57954. You got that? Let's try again. 3.579,545 megahertz, okay? Divide that by 4, which it does internally, and we're showing a clock rate of 895 kilohertz, okay? And that sounds about right. So I believe that these chips are remarked 6809s, whether they're 6809s, 68A09s, or 68B09s. I can't test because I don't have any higher speed crystals, but just a note, beware if you buy these chips from Jameco.